It's your girl Ashley and I'm back to do another video, and in this video I'm going to be doing the holiday slash Christmas tag. Since it is practically Christmas time, I thought it would be really fun to go ahead and do this Christmas tag, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to be reading the questions off of my phone here if you see me looking down. So yes, what is your favorite holiday movie? All of the Home Alone movies are my favorite holiday movies. It is so cliche, I know, but it is literally like the most traditional like Christmas movie ever. Like, I love all of them, and I only watch that movie around Christmas time. So even if it like shows on TV when it's not Christmas time, I don't watch it because it is only for the Christmas time. So yeah. Second question is, what's your favorite Christmas color? Well, if pink was a Christmas color, I would say pink, but since it's not, I would say gold, because gold is such a pretty festive color. Like, if your Christmas tree is missing gold, your Christmas tree ain't ready for Christmas yet. You gotta put gold on a Christmas tree. So yeah, I would say gold. Do you like to stay in your PJs or dress up for Christmas? I like to dress up for Christmas because I like to dress up for everything. But yeah, I never stay in my pajamas for Christmas. I always have on something festive, usually like a red top or something like that, or if I have a specific Christmas attire, I'd wear that. But usually like a red top, and then I like to put on either antler ears or a Santa hat. This year I'll be wearing a Santa hat, so I'm excited to get all cute with that. If you could buy one person a present this year, who would it be? If I could only buy one person a present, that's kind of hard. Because my daughter, but I mean, she's only gonna be 3 months when Christmas. She's gonna be 2 months when Christmas comes. So I mean, can't you really remember? I guess I would say my husband. I'd get my husband a gift. The fifth question is, do you open your presents Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? Growing up as a kid, we actually used to open up our present at midnight because we'd stay up and want to open all of our presents, and then like the adults would open their presents during the day. So yeah, this year I don't know what me and my husband are gonna do, if we're gonna do the midnight thing or if we're gonna open our presents in the day, because this is gonna be our first Christmas together in our own home. So I'm not sure what kind of Christmas traditions we're gonna implement, but usually we open them at midnight. Have you ever built a gingerbread house? I've never built a gingerbread house before, and that's kind of sad. I've never built a gingerbread house before. Never ever. Wow, maybe I should do that this year. Maybe I'll do that this year. What do you like to do on your Christmas break? Well, I guess, last year I had to work. I didn't have a Christmas break last year because I had to work. This year I'm on maternity leave, so I'm gonna be home. So I don't know, I guess just relax and kick it back. I know as a kid it was exciting because I used to go over to my aunt's house. All of my cousins used to be there, so y'all used to just hang out and stuff. But now that I'm an adult, I usually have to work during Christmas time, so yeah. Any Christmas wishes? I do have a Christmas wish list. I made a whole video on it, and I will link it in the card section above so you guys can check it out. But if I could pinpoint a few items that I really want, I really do want a vlogging camera. Like, I really want a vlogging camera. I want a Walmart gift card because I want to go to Walmart and just splurge. I want a Jack Astor's dinner date because Jack Astor's is my favorite restaurant, and I want someone to bring me there to go out to eat. So yes, but like I said, I did make a whole video on all of the things I want for Christmas, so definitely go and check that video out. Favorite Christmas smell? Anything sweet, like anything pastry flavored, red velvet, vanilla cupcakes, marshmallow, anything along those scents are definitely my favorite. So if they had one specifically for Christmas with that scent, then I would totally love that. Favorite Christmas meal or treat? Favorite Christmas meal or treat? I guess candy canes. I do like candy canes, only specific flavors of candy canes though, because they got some crazy candy cane flavors these days that just taste disgusting. I just like the plain red and white candy canes, so yeah. Which holiday do you celebrate? I celebrate Christmas. I don't celebrate Hanukkah or Kwanzaa. What are you doing for the holidays this year? like I said before, this is me and my husband's first Christmas in our own home, so I'm not sure what kind of tradition we're gonna implement as yet. What's your favorite holiday drink? If you are Jamaican, then y'all know about sorrel. I love sorrel. It's pretty much this fruit drink that they mix with like some ginger and sorrel fruit and some other stuff, but it is so good. I love it. Candy cane or gingerbread men? Candy cane. What's your favorite holiday / Christmas song? There is this song, and I don't remember the artist's name, but the song is called Christmas Shoes, and it is such a sweet song. It's pretty much about this little boy whose mom was sick and in the hospital, pretty much about to die, and he wanted to buy her the nice pair of shoes so when she meets Jesus she would look nice, but he didn't have enough money to buy the shoes, and then this good Samaritan in the store paid. It's a really nice song. You guys should just Google it because I honestly can't remember the artist, but it's called Christmas Shoes. So yeah. What's the weirdest gift you've ever received? As a kid, getting socks was not nice. Like, why did you get me socks? Who needs socks? But yeah, I would say that's pretty much the weirdest gift that I ever received. Have you ever made a snowman? Yes, I've made plenty of snowmen. What is your favorite winter fragrance? I don't really have a favorite winter fragrance, to be honest. What is at the top of your list this year? A vlogging camera, like I said before. And what is most important to you about the holidays? The reason for the season, which is the birth of Jesus, of course, that's number one. And also being with your family, and you know, being so prosperous for the entire year. You know, when Christmas time comes, the year's coming to an end, so just being so grateful and thankful for all the things that you were able to accomplish, and to see Christmas Day with your family, and just giving and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that is my little holiday tag. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or concerns, then leave them down below in the comment section, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye.